Imagine staying awake for 3 straight days. No naps, no coffee, just pure willpower and a ticking clock. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the shocking part. By hour 72, your brain starts doing things that feel straight out of a horror movie. So what actually happens to your body and mind when you go 72 hours without sleep? Let's find out. We all skip sleep sometimes, maybe a late-night binge or cramming for an exam. But sleep isn't optional. It's survival. The moment you hit 24 hours without it, your body already starts breaking down. But by 72 hours, you're not just tired, you're on the edge of madness. After 1 day awake, your reaction time slows, your memory fades, and your mood? Short-tempered, emotional, and foggy. It's like being slightly drunk. Except you didn't have any fun getting there. At 2 days with no sleep, your brain starts glitching. You may feel chills, your immune system weakens, and your eyes? Dry, red, and twitchy. Some people begin hearing faint sounds that aren't even there. This is when microsleeps kick in out. Your brain literally shuts off for a few seconds while your eyes are still open. Now 72 hours. This is where things get scary. Hallucinations, paranoia. Your sense of reality starts to crack. You might see people who aren't there. Your body feels heavy, your thoughts spiral, and anxiety shoots through the roof. In extreme cases, some people experience temporary psychosis. Sleep isn't weakness, it's maintenance. Skipping it doesn't make you strong, it breaks you down from the inside out. Your brain needs it, your heart needs it, and honestly, your sanity depends on it. So before you brag about pulling an all-nighter, just remember what's waiting on the other side of 72 sleepless hours. If this blew your mind, give it a like, share it with someone who stays up too late, and hit subscribe for more eye-opening videos like this. Because sometimes, the scariest things are happening inside your own body.